Have you ever been sitting at your home on a rainy day, looking through the window at the raindrops tracing paths down the glass? Did you want to go outside and dance with the raindrops? Or maybe you would prefer to stay at home and make your own rain behind the glass of your computer screen? Let's make a digital rainstorm that even the sun would want to peek through the clouds to see.
Okay.
In the very beginning, let's create a sprite for our raindrop and create necessary variables. Now we want to assign values to our variables when program starts. Now we use forever loop to create a clone of raindrop sprite every second. Next, we create a sprite dedicated variables indicating whether the drop is still falling and what is the current speed of the drop. Following that, in when start as a clone block, we are setting up the current speed of the drop, its direction, and also spawn coordinates, which are random. We use repeat until loop to make our drop falling based on the current speed. Drops are going to continue falling until they do not touch anything. Okay, let's give a try. As you can see, drops are falling, as every second we can see a new one. Right now let's make a small adjustment and jump straight into the making a splash effect. Of course, we start by making a new sprite for a splash. Next, we create a ground sprite, which our drops are going to splash on. It's pretty much going to be a rectangle placed on the bottom of the screen, which our drop sprites are going to collide with. Next, we handle the case when the drop is touching the ground. In such a situation, drop should stop falling and we are moving to handle splash effect. To make sure that our splash sprite is not hidden, we are moving ground to the back layer. Let's check what we have right now. Okay, seems to be working. Let's make some small adjustment and check the final result. To make a real rainstorm, we are introducing another variable which is going to control the intensity of the rain. To make a real rainstorm, we are introducing another variable which is going to control the intensity of the rain. Okay, let's take a glance at the final result. That's it, and if you like it, please consider giving a thumb up and leave the comment down below what kind of effects you would like to see the next on our channel. Stay tuned and have a happy scratching!